Video 14. Taking turns. We have two main objectives in this video. 1. We will show alternating X's and O's on the board. 2. We will show the status of which player has the next move. As our next step, we want to show an O on our board after showing an X. We will create a state variable called X as next in our board component. This variable takes a Boolean value. We'll set the first move to be X by default. So, the initial value of the X as next state variable is true. We will use the useState hook to declare the X as next state variable, along with its setter function, set X as next. Each time a player moves, the Boolean X as next will be flipped to determine which player goes next. With this change, we can now take turns. We will try it in the browser. First, click on the square with index 0. The first move should be an X, so that is what we want. Then click on the square with index 2. We expected the second move to be an O, which is what we got. Now click on the square with index 8, and then on index 6. The X's and O's are alternating correctly. We are successfully taking turns. Let's also add some status text in the board that displays which player has the next turn. Let's add the status text into the return JSX. You can see the status text in the browser. We will now make some styling improvements. We will first remove the sky blue background color, and the margin and spacing as well. Now, we will add a CSS class to the div around the status text, for CSS styling. And we will remove the text game. We will now add the CSS styling for status in the index.css file. We will add some margin. We will test our changes in the browser. To summarize, we enabled alternate moves between the two players of the game. And, we showed the status in the UI. In the next video, we will calculate the winner of the game.